Bass freestyle,
Bass
bitch.
God. Bass God.
Yeah.
Damn.
Bass freestyle, bitch. I'ma tell you.
Okay.
I'ma tell you what the fuck.
Damn.
Yeah, man, we out here in the wild, wild west, man. Every fucking day. Every day.
Damn.
I'ma tell you why I'm thugged out. I'ma tell you why I'm thugged.
Let me know.
Motherfuckers know I'm thugged.
Damn.
Riding up that honey.
Swag.
You can ask me that bullshit.
Tell me.
That bullshit.
I don't believe it.
Get it out my fucking face. I rock up with that 30K. Rock up with that 5, bitch. Rock up with that 10 strap. Motherfuckers know I got that 10 strap. Put the dope in it. I so stupid. Motherfuckers know I'ma do it. Motherfuckers know I keep the 5. Motherfuckers know I tax the 50. Motherfuckers know I tax, bitch. I let them. Motherfuckers know I keep that king grip.
I do it.
Motherfuckers know I hold that fucking cent.
Damn.
Motherfuckers know they can't fuck with
Leave me alone.
Why rock? I ride.
I look great.
I'm coming in, I roll by.
I look great.
That's that cooking dance.
Real shit.
Motherfucker hit the cooking dance.
Lil B.
Dope in my left hand.
Bass God.
Fuck with your herd, bitch. I'ma tell you about the game, ho. Riding down with that Range Rover. Riding down with that fame, ho. Motherfuckers know about the game, bro. Hey, this is real shit. I'm a motherfucking cowboy.
Damn.
Gangster with that full clip. Hit that shit. Hit that shit.
Five left,
Loaded with the bang. Hit the shit. Hit the shit. Cowboy gang swag. Loaded with that bang. Swag. Bass freestyle, bitch. Hit that shit.
First floor.
Hey, check me
First
out.
floor.
Cowboy gangster. Riding with that bang. I stay with it. Fuck what they think, man. We stay on the horses off that bling.
Okay.
We got the lean.
Okay.
We on that.
Bass God.
Hey, man, I'ma tell you about this.
Tell
Hey,
me.
Look, check me out, man.
Listen
I got
to me.
Tell you.
What?
Tell the bitch that Lil B
Okay.
rock like that cow. I'll tell he got that 50, man. He hold that 30 strap. Wow. I'ma tell you about the dirty. You're a thug. I'ma tell you about the one. You're a thug, bro. That motherfucker got a couple things on it.
You're a thug.
You don't wanna hold that thing on. You don't wanna touch that thing.
Wow.
I'ma tell you something, and this is real.
You're a thug, Bass God.
Cowboys in the Wild West, boy. You can get that deal. Damn. I'm a thugged out cowboy. This like that movie. Damn. Classic movie.
Damn.
I'm coming out looking groovy. Motherfuckers gotta respect it.
Damn.
I'm coming like I'm from Texas.
You feel me?
30 holding that Smith and Wesson. 50 holding that Smith and K. I'ma show you about the date. Damn. I'ma tell you about my babe. Great. I'ma tell you about that.
Yo, hey, okay, yo, hey, front lines, baby. Brother.
Oh, there you go, brother.
Thank you, brother.
Your cunt smells like tennis balls.
Bravo, Pete! Yeah, boy.
Ah, spider! Oh, fuck, nigga. Ah! Yo, get the fuck out of here! Oh, motherfucker! Fuck you, dude! Fuck you, bitch!
Oh, she's flying, bro.
He's in the black.